Now in this lecture, we expand f of x is equal to tan inverse of x of 1 plus root over 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. Let f of x is equal to y, which is equal to tan inverse of root over 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. Give it equation number 1. Putting x is equal to tan theta, which implies theta is equal to tan inverse of x. We have f of x equal to tan inverse 1 plus, what is the value of x? X is equal to tan theta. So since it is x square, so it will become tan inverse of tan square theta minus 1 and whole divided by tan theta. But we know that uh, 1 plus tan square x or 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sec square theta. Therefore, this root of 1 plus tan square theta will become root of sec square theta. And if you take the root of sec square theta, so now this is root of sec square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. And in the next step, root of sec square theta is nothing but sec theta. So tan inverse of sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Now we know that what is sec theta? Sec theta is nothing but 1 upon cosine theta, and tan theta is nothing but sine theta upon cos theta. So 1 upon cos theta, its value of sec theta, minus 1 whole divided by tan theta is nothing but sine theta upon cos theta. Which is therefore f of x equal to tan inverse of 1 upon cosine theta minus 1 upon sine theta upon cos theta. Let us take the LCM over here. It is cos theta. So 1 minus cosine theta upon cos theta and whole divided by sine theta upon cos theta. So this cos theta and cos theta will cancel. We have tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta upon sine theta. But now we know that what is 1 minus cosine theta? It is nothing but 2 sine square theta by 2, and sine 2 theta, sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta, or we can say that sine theta is 2 sine theta by 2. We can write down sine theta, we can write down sine theta, which is equal to sine of 2 times of theta by 2, and which can be written as 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Not in this manner. Clearly here 1 minus cos theta is written as 2 sine square theta by 2. And what is sine theta? It is 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So this 2 and 2 will cancel. Sine square theta by 2. So 1 sine theta by 2 will cancel with this sine theta by 2. We have sine theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2, which is nothing but tan theta by 2. So using the property of trigonometric function, tan inverse of tan theta by 2 is nothing but theta by 2. But we know that what is theta? Theta is nothing but tan inverse of x, because we have substituted x equal to tan theta. So theta is tan inverse of x. Now we know that the expansion of tan inverse of x, in the last lecture we have seen that what is expansion of tan inverse of x? It is nothing but x minus x cube upon 3 plus x to the power 5 upon 5 minus x to the power 7 upon 7 plus x to the power 9 upon 9, and so on. So now if we substitute all these values, we are able to write down f of x equal to tan inverse of x upon 2, or 1 upon 2 and times of this value, x minus x cube upon 3 plus x to the power 5 upon 5 minus x to the power 7 upon 7 plus x to the power 9 upon 9 minus x to the power 11 upon 11, and so on. So this is the expansion of tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. Thank you.